Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download BitGet app on your device. So first thing you need to do is open your Play Store or App Store. Then simply click on search button and search BitGet. You will see a application called BitGet Wallet. So simply click on it and install it. Wait for until this installs. Once is done installing, then simply open it. Then you can create a wallet and then use it however you want. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.